Hey everybody out there, hey YouTube, hey people looking for some sort of pain relief from a TENS machine. That's why I'm doing an unboxing video on this TENS machine, the TENS SM9126 from Amazon.ca. I ordered it recently for some injuries that I'm trying to deal with, so I thought I'd do a quick unboxing video just to show everybody out there what you can expect to get when you purchase this item. So it has a really long name that it's described by on Amazon. It is listed as the Dual Channel TENS EMS Unit 24 Modes Muscle Stimulator for Pain Relief Therapy, Electronic Pulse Massager, Muscle Massager with 10 pads, dust-proof drawstring storage bag, and fastening cable ties. Very long-winded name for TENS SM9126, which is essentially what that is anyway. Got a whole bunch of ratings online, 5,000 plus, very highly rated. Amazon's choice for an EMS muscle stimulator, that kind of jazz. Usually coming in at about $60 for a price point. I picked it up for about $52, $53, shipped free to my door with Amazon Prime. And let's dig into it and see what it comes with. So, came in this little nice box. There's a little bit of a puncture mark there on the front. Took a picture of it just in case there's anything wrong with it. Everybody says that I've read about online, one of the things they all say is activate your 24-month warranty. I assume that's pretty much just a data grab. However, you might get some sort of small gift or something for doing that, so I might do that because I like free things. So this is also released by a company called Beliefview or Beliefview. It's made by this company. So let's open up the box, see what we have here today. So there is the little TENS machine on its own, and comes in a little bit of like moldable foam, so that's cool. And let's just pop that actual unit out of there. And okay, so this is the little TENS unit on its own. It's got a plastic housing, plastic buttons, plastic screen as well. It's got a micro USB port on the top, what looks to be a speaker, maybe an on-off button, and some outs for your leads, as well as a 500 mAh battery. So it's rechargeable, which sucks actually, because as soon as it's not taking any more charges, it will be disposable, pretty much garbage. It certainly looked a lot bigger when I seen it online on Amazon.ca, so I'll give you a size comparison, just something that everybody kind of would understand right away. So here's a half-eaten bag of snapped baked snow peas, baked snap peas, original. So here's a half-eaten bag of those in relation to the TENS machine, just to give you an idea of a size comparison. So that's very effective. So we'll put that to the side. And let's see what else we have in the box. Oh, the aforementioned drawstring bag. A lofty 7 thread count. So that's nice. Nice little gift to keep everything together. These are your electrode pads. Obviously this is the small. There's 2 of those. There are 2, 4, 6 medium electrode pads. And there are 2 large electrode pads, as well as a manual. Anybody who's anybody knows, you read the manual, you learn how to use the item. Whoops, whoa. So it is in English, French, and Espanol, I see. And then we got, so again, activate your free warranty. And activate your warranty, and you get some free pads perhaps if you activate your warranty. So yeah, I figured as much. Then we got your leads to your electrode pads. We got a dual, and then a quad. And then this is probably this is your charging cord. USB to micro USB with a nice little Velcro strap holder. So that's kind of cool. And then in the box, silica gel. Throw away. In quotations, do not eat. So not a steadfast rule, just a suggestion. So that's what you get in the box for the TENS SM9126 muscle stimulator, massager, pain reliever machine. I will be sure to let you guys know in a review video coming up shortly how this thing actually works, or if it works. And thank you so much for watching the video. Like the video, please, if you did, so thumbs up, and of course if you didn't, then thumbs up. Subscribe if you want to see more of this type of content or top level production, and notifications, turn those on too. And I think that's a thing. Comment down below. Everybody have an awesome day. Be pain free, and whatever's bothering you, I hope it goes away soon. All right, bye.